There has been no decision on who the next CBI director will be. A meeting of the select committee that was held at the Prime Minister's residence ended just a short while ago with no consensus on who the next head of the investigating agency will be. Neeta Sharma joining us now for more on that developing story. Neeta, what exactly happened? Not that this comes as much of a surprise.
Absolutely, Nidhi, the leader of opposition, Mr. Kharge, came out and he spoke to the reporters and he informed that about 70 to 82 names were given to him and the Chief Justice of India. These were the names only when these officers had joined service. No details were provided to them, where all these officers had, worked. That is why they have sought more time. The select committee is now scheduled to meet sometime the next week. The inference which can be drawn from the entire sequence of events which unfolded today here at LKM, Nidhi, that the government is not very serious about appointing the new CBI director because they had not streamlined the process. Earlier, when a select panel used to meet, there were only a handful of officers which were shortlisted. But if the government is giving a list of almost 70 to 82 officers, that means it would take so much of time, more than a week, for the opposition leader, Mr. Kharge, and also the CGI to go through the list and, make up their minds. So it seems that the government is not very serious about appointing the new CBI director. That's the inference which can be drawn by the statement of Mr. Kharge. Nidhi?
And in the meantime, then a CBI director of their own choosing continues to be the interim CBI chief. So there are wheels within wheels that are at work here. Thank you very much for that news update, Neeta. That meeting of the select panel led by the PM, which includes the Chief Justice and the leader of the opposition, could now happen only next week.